Hello. IRyS. Hello. IRyS. Good morning. Good morning.
I never wake up in the morning. Good morning.
I'm sorry to force everyone to wake up.
No, it's a good habit. It's a very good habit.
We are getting blessed by various morning voices, though.
I feel so healthy right now.
Do you want some breakfast cake?
Yes, please.
Healthy breakfast cake?
Yes, please. Give me. I've never had carrot cake before.
Oh, I love carrot cake.
Really? Is it good? It's carrots,
Yeah,
though, right?
but carrots are sweet, you know? Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah, they're one of the sweetest vegetables, I think. And you put like spices in it, like cinnamon and ginger.
Oh, with carrot?
Yeah.
Sasuga nature knows her veggies.
Of course. Would you like to spin my wheel, IRyS?
Oh my god, I woke up and I saw this wheel and just like, man.
You ran?
That's genius. Yes, I want to spin the wheel.
Alright, let me know when you want to stop it.
Alrighty. There's lag on the stream, so I'm like, I
There is,
can't
so you never know.
calculate. Man. Okay. Boop. Stop.
Oh!
Boop.
This again! Is the wheel weighted or something? If you want to re-roll, you can re-roll.
You know what? Since it's your birthday, I'll do two.
Oh, two!
Yeah, I feel like me just waking up might actually level up my usual ARA ARA.
It's true.
So, yeah, okay. ARA ARA.
Oh, sleepy ARA ARA. It's so good.
ARA ARA.
Oh my goodness, the power. Wow.
Okay, I'm awake now.
I think everyone's awake now. Neuron activated. That's what people say, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to give it another quick spin?
Sure, okay.
Okay.
Let it roll. What was that art I just saw for a split second? Oh, okay. My brain says stop.
Oh!
Oh!
This is one of the most powerful.
Oh, man! What? I can tweet on your account? What?
You can send one tweet on my account.
Oh my god, what should I make you tweet? What? What? I gotta think of this. Is this
It's,
something that I redeem like right away? Or is this something...
You can redeem it now or later.
Okay.
You can think about it if you want. Just
I will
let me
think
know.
about it. I will think about it. I will think about it very hard.
Okay.
Yes. I'm gonna use this power of mine to the fullest potential I could possibly have.
This is one of the best rewards on the wheel.
Yeah, man. Yeah. What? Did you think of that reward yourself too?
I did. Well, so I kind of knew what I was getting myself into.
Someone's in for some trouble.
I think. Well, it can't be too bad. My senpyrus will go easy on me, right?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Man, I'm excited.
Okay,
Thank you. I feel like I was rewarded.
Thank you for coming, IRyS.
No, thank you. Happy birthday, Fauna.
Thank you.
Have a great one. Eat lots of cake.
I will.
Alrighty. Bye. Bye. Bye.
IRyS.
立ちつて通り過ぎたのに